We back. Y'all see that hood popped open, so that could only mean one thing. We got a modification coming in the car. So today we gonna change this out. We're gonna do a cold air intake. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. So yeah, there we go. Roush cold air intake. Got it off OfferUp for a really good deal from my boy, Big Blue GT on Instagram. I'll go ahead and follow him. Nice build he got going on. Supercharged Mustang. Yeah, we're gonna add this to the car. I'm expecting to get maybe, well, it's not gonna be tuned when I put it in, but I'm gonna expect to gain maybe 10 to 15 wheel. Actually, no, I'm tripping. Maybe like 5 to 10. 10 to 15 to 20 after we get the tune. So yeah, but yeah, this is gonna be my first time installing the intake on this car. I don't even know how to do it. I'm gonna just go ahead and start disconnecting stuff, see what happens. Hopefully I don't mess something up, and y'all let me know. Y'all watch the video. Y'all gonna see if I do anything wrong. Y'all let me know if I do anything wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and film the install, and we're gonna see how this thing looking. Alright, y'all. Just got the intake installed. Let's see how this thing feel. Let's see if I feel any power. See if it was worth the buy. I think we're gonna feel a little something. So far, it sounds a little different, but I can't tell you if it's like the power. Let's see. Do a little drive. Let's see how it's feeling. A little quicker. It feels a little more sensitive, I'll tell you that. Let's put it in sport mode. Let's see what sport mode do. First gear. Let's see. Oh yeah. This shit, yeah. Hold on. That little turn I just did right there. It's feeling sensitive. Let's see. Whoa! now. And this isn't even with the tune. This is without a tune, you guys. No tune. Oh, we got a Rolls Royce? Damn, who that? Jeez. Anyways. Yo, get you a Roush intake. Get you an intake. This thing feels fast right now. Oh my God. Another thing I noticed with the intake is that the temps, the intake temps are way lower. Usually they're like in the hundreds. Right now it's at 90. So it's breathing in real cold air right now. Holy shit. God damn. Bruh, this thing feels like a monster right now. Literally a monster. I didn't think it was getting that much power, but man. Jeez. Hold on, does it still pop? Let me see. Yeah, it's still popping. Traction light never comes on in first gear. That was the first time I've ever seen it come on. Crazy. I'm gonna come back in a couple days and let y'all know how it feels. But for right now, this thing feels great. If you're thinking about getting one, go ahead and get one. YouTube, back. And I want to give y'all a little update. So I had the intake on the car for a couple days now. And I feel a lot of gains with it. But I know a lot of you guys are like, it's hard to just say it through the video. So I came over here, STP Motorsport. We're gonna get the car on the dyno, see how much power the intake makes now. The car previously made 370 wheel before, but that was with a axle back and an X pipe only. The car does have a cat delete and the intake now, so that's 2 extra mods from the 370 wheel. So I guess you could just take half of that number, whatever we get on the dyno, and that's how much this intake makes. I'm thinking hopefully with this new setup, it feels like at least 385, at least. If we hit 400, I highly doubt it, but if we hit 400, that's amazing. 395, that's even better, but I'm hoping at least 385, because cat delete and the intake, come on, at least 15. At least, come on, give me that. But yeah, so we have a car over there that's on the dyno right now. I'm pretty sure you can hear it. And then we're gonna get the 501 there next. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, we'll see what this thing can make with the intake, cat delete, X pipe, and axle back. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We just hopped off the dyno. Car made 389, basically 390 with the cat after the cat delete and the intake. Before the car made 370 when it had just the X pipe in the axle back. So roughly 20 wheel gain for both mods, so 10 for each, 10 wheel for the intake and 10 wheel for the cat delete. Honestly, I think it was really worth it. Come on, cause 10 wheel untuned, that's a lot of gains right there. That's almost like 30 horsepower to the engine. So I can't be mad with that number. So yeah, but next I want to get the car tuned. So that should add another 20, 30 wheel to the car. So I'm hoping we can hit around 420 with this thing, 430. I wasn't gonna do E85 at first, but the way this car has been running, I really want to do the E85. I really want to move for that because, man, each little mod you do to this car, it's like it gains so much. Might as well go for it all. And if I really feel like I can't find E85 pumps, I'll get a 93 tune as well. So I might do a flex fuel tune. And yeah, so that's probably what we're gonna do. With a flex fuel E85 tune. But y'all let me know if y'all have a Mustang and y'all are tuned. Y'all let me know like who tuned you, who should I get tuned by? Because I'm really thinking about going with Lund, but I don't know. I know they're the best, but they're kind of expensive. It's like 900. That's a lot. But we're gonna see. I want to make this thing a little fast until I get it boosted, because you know we're still gonna do the either a twin turbo or a Paxton, and that's the move right now. I'd want to go Whipple, but that's like 10 grand, and I'm not trying to spend 10 grand on a supercharger. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, if y'all thinking about getting a Roush intake, let me show y'all how this thing looking again. This thing is amazing. If y'all thinking about getting a Roush intake, definitely worth it for your Mustang or any car. Any car, not even just a Mustang, but getting an intake for any car definitely will give you some gains. So if you've been thinking like, oh, maybe it's just sound or something, no. It gives you power too. So go ahead and get it to an intake. If you've been thinking about it, it's definitely worth your time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Next week we got something coming, more mods coming. And yeah, so y'all gonna go along the journey with me on this build. Try to document everything for you guys. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.